Okay, in this video we're going to investigate the behaviour of an LDR, light dependent resistor, as the brightness of light across it changes. So what we have here is a voltmeter attached across our LDR and an ammeter in series from our power supply. So what I want you to do is, the investigation we're going to do is you're going to change the brightness of the light. So we're going to need to put in a column here, light intensity. Don't worry about the units for that, it hasn't got any in this case. And what we're going to have on the end column here is resistance, and again our resistance is going to be in ohms. To make it in ohms, what we do is we can go like that. So resistance, capital W, change the font to symbol, comes up in ohms. And remember, resistance is going to be the voltage divided by the current. Now the voltage for each of these is going to be 9 volts, it's not going to change. And the light intensity I want you to measure is, I want you to go up in tens, up to, I think it goes up to 100. Like so. And the way we're going to do that then is we change the brightness down here. 10, write down the reading on the ammeter. So 0 was 0.25. Then we went up to 10, 0.54, and we continue on getting all your results. Pause the video now to do that. Okay, welcome back. So here are the results I obtained. Yours again might be slightly different, but should be pretty much the same. So I've got my resistances and I've got my voltage. So the graph we're going to draw is light intensity against resistance. So to do that and select those two, press Control as you drag, and that way you can do things like that. And we draw our graph. Again, let's move it to a new chart so we can just look at our graph. And we get our line of best fit. So you can see here, as light intensity increases, and let's add that on there, light intensity. And our resistance drops, and this happens because of the way the LDRs are designed. The more light on them, the lower their resistance. Now we can use that in circuits to sense light. So for example, if you've got lights at home that switch on only when it's dark, they're designed to switch on when the voltage across your LDR gets to a certain level, and then they switch on. Okay, thanks for watching.